Everybody can record.
Yes.
Sorry. So earlier there was a compose function. Okay, so there you can utilize means there is a compose activity where you can utilize uh, mod, like mod braces variable 1 comma variable 2. Even though same for division, like div and then like this. Same for subtraction, same for multiplication. Multiplication is MUL, subtraction is SUB, addition is ADD. These are the functions. If you are not able to utilize direct things from variable or kind of thing, there was an activity called compose that do like this. Got it?
Yes, sir.
There
Yes,
are
sir.
multiple ways to do the things. Otherwise, normally in variable, you give a
Yes.
mod b. That is the
This is
easiest way.
this is working. Yes.
That's what. If you will give a bit of effort, everything will be working. If you will ask me, definitely I will not tell until unless you will not try. You try, don't, you will not able to do, definitely 100 times I will explain.
I tried two types of.
Sorry,
I am saying, sir, I tried two types of solve the problem, sir.
two types of
Actions using, sir.
your voice is not clear. Sorry.
Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
No, I am saying, sir, for loop conditions, loop mode, sir, I tried two different actions, sir.
Okay.
Sir, now this compose is not there in
Now I think
our.
it is not. I have not checked, but
Yeah,
now I think
it's
it is
not
not.
there, sir.
Yeah, now it is not there. So now they have launched Power Apps. Okay, Power Apps is a separate big territory only. Okay, where all coding related things you can do,
Okay, sir.
but no need to go on that side.
Okay, sir.
Just give me one second.
Sir, you are on mute.
Sorry, yes. So today we will see web automation. Web or window automation both are same only. Okay. Why I told first I will say web automation. Web may be more complicated. Okay. So let's web automation. And similar way you can try on Windows automation as well. But anyway, I will explain separately both. Today web, tomorrow Windows. If you guys will have any doubt, then
Sir, in the folder automation, the get special folder do what?
get folder,
Get special folder. Last one.
retrieve the part of Windows special folder such as desktop, my pictures, internet, like whichever is by default created. Like this you have not created, right? Uh, this you have not created, this you have not created. These are
Yes,
the
sir.
special folder created by Windows. So these path it will.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Basically, web automation is nothing but browser automation. Okay. So here we have multiple other things. If you have to work with, let's understand first these things. If you have to work with Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, Microsoft Edge, for everything we have a launch activity. So if I have to work with Chrome, launch new Chrome. I have taken it. What are the things you have to provide in this? Let's see. Launch new instance or attach to running instance. Say launch new instance service. Okay. Then which URL you want to work, that URL you have to give. So this URL we'll see. I will copy this. So now here if you have to work with this drop down, this text box, this radio button, if you have to read data, all those things we will be doing with the help of Power Automate. Today we will learn that. Now window state, if it is launching, it should be in maximized, minimized or normal state. I will say maximized state. It will give you a default variable, okay, default variable, a browser which will have all the information about that browser instance. Now if you want to focus first and then start working, you can just say focus text field on web page. Okay, but how you will get this UI element? Okay, for this what you have to do, you have to go to this UI elements and you have to say add UI element. Okay, I'm deleting this. I will say focus. So I will say add UI element. Okay, you can just over like here and say control click. Okay, let's see. Now like this one frame it will add here also. Is not adding that frame. Like this it should add everywhere. Microsoft Power Automate is there. Close everything and let's launch by Power Automate. Okay. Now let's check if add UI element. See, okay. So like this, you can just say control click and it will take that. See it has added here. Say done. Input text given name. Okay. So detail it will show you like this. Say done. Okay. See it has added. You can rename it as like name or name one and click out. Now if you will take focus, let's see. Focus text field on web page. Okay, browser is the instance we have given. Now I will select from here. Name one is there. I will select this. Just select. So it will work on this one. Okay. Any advanced thing we have? Nothing. It will wait for 60 seconds. Wait for page load means if page is not loaded, it is still loading. It will wait for 60 seconds to timeout. Means it will say, okay, page is not loaded. I have to go. It will not keep on waiting. So, okay. Then if pop-up dialog appears, do nothing, press a button, close it. So whatever your wish you can save. Similar way we have taken for populate text field means if you have to write something, fill a text field in a web page. So I have taken that name one only. Save. You can let her also name one. Okay, and whatever data you want to write, you give her. Here also same thing. See, if field isn't empty, replace the text. If before only some data is there, like some auto save data will be there some places. If that is there, you want what you want to do, replace text or append text. I said replace text. Populate text using physical keystroke. If you want, it should literally use your keyboard to type. You can just make it on. Emulate typing means directly it will paste the data. Unfocused text box after filling it means you want like it will fill and it should move the cursor somewhere. You can do this. Wait for page load and timeout is the same thing. Okay. Then if you want to work with a radio button, select radio button on web page. So see, this is the thing. Here advanced Nothing. Same thing. Okay. Again, so for each and every element which you are working here, you have to first add this UI element, add UI element. So for each and every element which you are working here, you have to first So for each and every item, you have to add a UI element here and then you have to utilize it. Make sure give the proper naming so while choosing here, you should not get confused. Okay. So same way if you want to drop down, work with drop down. See, select option by name or select option by index 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. On name is you have to give the exact value. Okay. Then add once means timeout and pop up. Press button on page means if you have to click somewhere, okay, that is press button. Okay, similar way. Wait for page load, timeout. So basic funda is the main important thing is you have to add the UI elements, and based on this, like checkbox, radio button. Okay, if you have to work with checkbox, this is the checkbox activity. If you have to work with drop down, this is the drop down activity. If you have to work with radio button, you have to work with this one. If you have to type something, you utilize this. If you have to click somewhere, you have to utilize this. Okay, so this is form filling, web
But
form filling. Sorry, your voice is very low. Hello.
hi, yes, sir. Just I'm asking, sir, what conditions then we can use select radio button on web page,
Which
like
one?
drop down. Select radio button, sir.
This is radio button. This is radio button.
Understood, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Basically, all see. Are you guys aware of element names? Correct. This is radio button. This is drop down. This is text box. Got it? This is a
Got it,
refresh
sir.
button. So these names you should know. Like this only you have to. Uh, so this is writing thing. Reading thing also I will tell you. Not now. Reading also there is some little different thing. But this is writing. With writing only you can try create new tab, go to web pages, click link on web page, uh, hover mouse over element on a web. Okay, close web browser. All these things you try. Okay, if you are not able to do, I will explain. Okay, but writing
Okay,
thing
sir.
you can do on multiple website and see whether it is passing, failing. So what you have to do, you can do like this. Where and all you can utilize. This many things you do. There are nothing reading I have given, only writing. I'm pasting in chat. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So tomorrow I will tell reading. So it will be covered as for web windows both, and web and windows both will complete it simultaneously. This is browser automation. Same way UI automation is there. Okay, that is for Windows. Similar way, if you will go for form filling, same focus text, populate text, fill in window, press button, select radio button, set checkbox, set drop down. Everything is similar. Okay, so if you have any Windows application like Notepad, like any other or UI demo, you just search, download UI demo application. Okay, UI demo will give you an application. So that on that also you can try. So both for web and window you try. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.